And today I got my oldest son. What's your name?
You know, Big Daddy Sebastian, you feel me?
Anyways, we have golden fried pan chicken. Look at it. We hungry, y'all. We got Kool-Aid. Got me some Texas Pete. Some ranch. We're going to say our grace and dive on in. Bow your head, son. Let's get it, baby.
How much y'all get, Paul?
Get whatever you mean you want. Start off wherever you want. Okay, y'all. So if y'all have not watched my last video, I finally had king crab. Make sure you go check that out. Yes, y'all must pick that up a little bit. I'm starved.
Oh, my bad.
You want hot sauce?
No.
I don't know if y'all don't eat ranch on y'all chicken, but I eat just a little ranch on my chicken. So y'all, it's the first day of October. Oh, y'all see that steam? Oh, it's hot. Y'all, we gonna see how many chicken wings we can eat. How many you think you can eat?
21. It's hot. Dang, you crunch on that. You crunching. Keep on burning myself. It's hot.
Them just came out and them coming down.
My tooth came out.
For real?
It's coming out.
It's loose. Y'all. So. I am going to attempt to do Vlogtober. So if y'all know what Vlogtober is, that is a video every single day. So we're going to see how it goes. What number you on? 1?
I'm on 2.
Yeah, right. No, it gotta be one whole chicken wing.
If Casey was in here, he would have been smashing. Nah, I'm playing. I'll eat fat.
Ain't no fat on these wings.
It ain't? I come from a planet.
It's
for outer space. Oh yes, I'm funny.
So y'all, I have a topic. We're gonna get to it in just a second. So the topic we're going to talk about is actually a topic for my son. I have not told him about the topic. He does not know what we're going to talk about, but he will see.
What topic? What's the topic?
I'm going to let you know.
Oh, it's kind of weird over here now. What's funny?
Nothing.
I think we're weird right now. What's the topic, Mama?
I'm going to let you know, son. Were you nervous?
Yeah.
Don't be nervous.
My stomach is jumping up.
Oh, you're nervous.
Haven't ate fried chicken in years. How many you ate?
I think this is my third one.
This is my fourth.
It can't be. Dead?
That's tough.
You're not going to beat me, son.
I'm not even eating fast. If I was eating fast, I'll be on my sixth one.
Nah.
Yeah.
You just know I'm a winner.
She always
Just go ahead and say.
She thinks she can beat me at everything, but she can't. She can't.
I'm a beast.
At what?
Everything.
No, you not. Not better than me.
Yes, I am.
No.
I'm a beast.
No, you not.
What you mean? Yes. Is it playing?
Well, what we gonna say?
Nothing. You just ate like nothing happened. Shut that door, please, ma'am. Thank you. Jeb's will be watching that camera.
Stop it, fool.
Eat.
My stomach.
Now.
My stomach full.
I don't care.
But what if I eat too much and I throw up?
If you don't hush in my video, you eat your damn food.
It's not funny.
Let's do it.
I'm full.
4.
I told you.
You only ate 4. Not even 4. 3.
And if I eat too much, I get the. I think it's from the drink. It's from that drink.
Yeah, I think my son done tapped out.
I don't even want no cookies now because I'm full. And when I eat a cookie, I can't eat it all. I probably eat like a little tab.
So have you tapped out on the chicken?
No.
So go ahead and say I'm the winner.
No, I'm not winning. I'm a wait. Yeah, I'm not eating no cookies because I can't make it. Every time I eat them baked cookies, I be like it's like when she bake cookies, when I eat 2 little cookies, I get full from 2 little cookies.
Okay, go ahead and say I'm the winner of the chicken though.
No.
You got meat and everything on them bones.
Wait, this is a race?
Yeah, we're a contest. Remember?
This is a race?
I said let's see who can eat the most. It's not a race, it's let's see who can eat the most.
It's a competition.
Boy.
I didn't even know. I thought it was just eating. I guess she won because I'm full.
So go ahead and say your mommy won.
Mommy. She won. My mama won.
Say my mama.
My mama won, y'all.
No, say what I say.
My mama
is the best.
No, I'm not saying
No,
that.
you gotta say what I say. My mama.
My mama
is the best.
is the loser.
Is the best.
Is the best.
Chicken wing eater.
Chicken wing not eater.
Chicken wing eater.
Chicken wing eater.
Hands down.
Hands down.
On God.
Oh, not God.
Now you gotta say, on yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Oh, I can get better drinking my drink, y'all. That's all I want to drink. You not see.
Okay, you guys. So I told y'all I had a topic that my son did not know about, right?
Mom, hey, what's the topic?
It's really a question, and it'll turn into a topic, okay?
It better not be no weird question, Mama.
No, it's not.
Good.
So the question is, do you think parents should whoop their kids?
That's the question?
Mm-hmm. You were a kid? I'm not a kid. I'm a grown-up. Nobody can whoop me. I'm asking you. Do you think parents should whoop their kids?
I don't know. Oh no. You smacking.
Do you think parents should whoop their kids?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know. I wouldn't answer that question.
Why? I just want the other parents out here to see what one child thinks. Do you think parents should whoop their kids?
I don't know.
Let me ask you another question then. Do you think parents should buy everything on the kids' Christmas list?
No.
So why I got you on camera, let me go ahead and ask you this. What you buy me for Christmas?
I mean, I wasn't buying some shoes, but you didn't even wear shoes. Barely. Why you wearing slots and flip-flops?
I want a homemade gift.
A what?
A homemade gift.
What is that?
Something that you actually make for me with your hands. Nothing that you can go buy. Something that you made.
Like what?
Like a bracelet or something you can make.
It's not gonna be purple.
Okay.
Purple is like a dark color. It's like black a little bit.
Purple is my favorite color, y'all.
Purple is like a dark. Purple and black is kind of the same a little bit. Dark purple. Like your lips is dark purple.
It could be whatever you make me. I just want it to be special.
My stomach jumping. I think I'm not.
So, I obviously my son has tapped out. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, y'all. My son tapped out. Obviously, I am the chicken wing eater winner. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you know when I will be back. And I'm out.